Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple process of how to add a contributor to your site, how to give them admin access or whatever level of access you want. But there's two ways to do this, and the second way is highly overlooked. Let's walk through it now. So I'm here on my demo website, and the process for this is quite simple. So the first thing you do is click settings, and then from there you click permissions. Once you do that, you have this option to invite a contributor. Now, this is actually kind of cool because you could do this in a few different ways. So here I'm going to put sample name, and then I'm going to put an email. I'm just going to use one of our business emails just like that. And I am going to do admin access. Then I'm going to hit invite. As soon as I hit invite, an email is going to go to this email here. So I'll hit invite. And the email you receive will look something like this: contributor invitation from David. And then it says here, hi, sample name. This is the name you added. David has invited you to be a contributor on this site, accept invite. Now, the thing that people overlook is if you go back to this invite, there's this invitation link. And so if you copy this link and send it to the person directly, let's say you are a designer or the person you're working with, the email is just not coming through or whatever the issue may be, you could actually just copy this link and send them this link. Now, one other cool thing, if you are a designer, you could actually, this is actually really good. You could create demo things like I just did right now. Maybe you could remove sample name and just put name or whatever, but you could create, say, 10 invitations to separate sites. Say you have a template you sell, whatever that might be. The email kind of doesn't matter. So let's say I go in here and I hit accept invitation. It asks me, say I'm logged into a separate email. Okay, so I got invited to hello@spacebaragency.com, but I have a different email that I'm logged into. Let's say support. Well, it'll ask me, do you want to add this website to the account you're actually logged into, the support one? And if you hit yes, it works. So basically, you can use an email there, but the invitation link will give them the access they need regardless of what their email is. So what I do with clients, if the email for the invitation isn't working, they could just send this link. Here's the link. Boom. And that would give them access to the website. So I'd send them a full email, right? Name, hello, goodbye, all that stuff. But here I'd be able to send them the invite. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. So hit the like button. Next, if you're looking to beef up or boost or 10x your Squarespace website, check out the links below. We have a ton of resources for you. Plugins, downloadables, ebooks, blog posts, a ton of things for you. Finally, if you got value from today's video and you're looking for more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. I can't believe we're publishing 3 videos a week right now. It's a lot of content, but we are. We're publishing 3, maybe even 4 videos a week right now. So if you want more content like this, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.